Hello, my name is Christie Arkovich, and we are student loan and foreclosure bankruptcy attorneys in Tampa, Florida. And I wanted to let everyone know that there's only 30 days remaining for the consolidation opportunities for the IDR audit. And I'm afraid that there may be some people who are missing out on this. And I would like for anyone who's watching this to reach out to your friends and colleagues, anyone who you know has student loans. And here's the important message that I'd like for you to communicate or know about for yourself. If you have a non-direct student loan, so in other words, if you have the older FFEL loan, maybe you're a health professional and you have a HEAL loan, HEAL, you can still consolidate those loans before December 31. Now, that doesn't mean that the consolidation has to be done. It just means that it has to be filed or submitted, basically. And HEAL loans don't have that good of opportunities. They are not eligible for SAVE directly. They have less options available for settlement and for disability, perhaps. So it's really good to try to get out of a HEAL loan. That program was disbanded. I think it was back in like 1998 or so. And there's still a lot of folks out there, health professionals with the old HEAL loans. And if they haven't gone to judgment, so in other words, if you're just delinquent, if you're current, whatever you are, if it hasn't gone to a final judgment, you can still consolidate those loans, make them a direct loan, which makes them eligible for SAVE and things like that. Another thing is you may have someone, or you might have a low interest rate. Let's say you have maybe FFEL loans, 3% interest rate. You're afraid to consolidate them, thinking that with the high interest rates right now, your payment would go up and your balance would go up. That's not accurate. When you consolidate, it's a market-weighted or neutral interest rate from what you used to have. So you should not have any interest increases. And so don't use that fear of an increased interest rate to prevent you from potentially consolidating and taking advantage of this IDR audit. What the audit is doing is it's giving you credit for extended forbearances, economic deferments, things that are going to count for IDR purposes. You may have the opportunity to basically have all of your loans redated to the earliest loan repayment. So if you had a gap in education, you had older loans, newer loans, those newer loans would be redated back to the earliest repayment date. So you might have someone who went to school in the 90s. Maybe they went to law school later in life, got a master's, maybe had a Parent Plus loan for a child. You can actually get years and years of credit under the IDR by taking advantage of consolidating those loans together before December 31 to get the IDR, to maximize your count under the IDR recount. So please help us in trying to get that message out. It's going to expire December 31. And after that time, yeah, SAVE will still be available. The total and permanent disability program will still be available. But one of our best tools, this IDR audit and the potential to consolidate now, is going to be gone. And there's no indication that that will be extended. There has been a little bit of talk, but nothing really concrete. So I would definitely not count on that. One other piece of good news, the efforts to repeal SAVE were deflected or denied. So it appears that SAVE is going to be valid going forward. So I hope that you have taken the opportunity to at least consider whether consolidation is in your favor, and do so by December 31. Thank you.